Just transferred 40,000 built points to stay at one of the best hotels in the world, the Park Hyatt New York, and here's how it went. So this is the entrance to the Park Hyatt New York. This is a one king bed city view room that we're in a wide angle so we can see everything. But you got a nice king bed. It's a good size room, not quite what we had over at the Thompson, but good size. We can go over here and kind of see what the view looks like. It's bright, you know, that's Carnegie Hall. I mean, to have this much light is really a luxury. Very, very nice. And then you can see sort of like next to the bed, you've got all these different controls to put your drapes, turn the lights on, all that good stuff. You know, a real clock is kind of a nice touch. You have your whole workstation over here, your desk and everything. You know, can't forget about the Rome luggage, designed by yours truly. Over here, you've got all of your power ports, the phone, and then this is cool. This is like a personal iPad that I think you can just take out, and here we can see, like, you know, if you want to look at the room service menu, it pops up, and I think you can just order off of that as well, which that's really cool. I think I will be doing room service breakfast. And then in through here, you have the bathroom. You do have closets over here, which, you know, it's really nice that they have these big floor to ceiling mirrors. Nice closets. There's another one around the corner here, but I wanted to show you this because this is a beautiful cabinet. And then when you open it, that's where your mini bar is, and where your coffee machine, you have fine china. I don't know if this opens or not. I would guess it does, yes. This is all your cold stuff is down in here. Pretty nice, huh? And then both of those waters are free of charge. Everything else, aside from the coffee, you pay for. And then here is the bathroom. Huge, big soaker tub. Very nice. I can't wait to pop on one of these plush robes. Looks like all marble or some kind of, you know, nice stone. Dual vanities. You're using the Le Labo soap, which is very nice. And you got your dual vanities. My guess is like you've got some like little hygiene products in here. That's always a nice little accoutrement. This looks like this might be a TV. Is that a TV? It might be. Oh, look. Look at that. We got a remote right here. So big, nice mirror. And then in here, I've heard wonderful things about the shower. And as you can see, this shower, not only do you have all these controls and you've got this nice shower head, I think this is a fogless mirror. You got your Le Labo products, but then I've heard that this is an amazing rain shower, and this gets really hot and steamy. So pretty cool. They do have a scale, which a lot of hotels these days don't. And then coming around this way, we have another closet. Very nice. And then this is I think just a handsome piece of furniture to begin with. But the second is, this is where your safe is. So that's pretty cool. And I think maybe, does this pull out? Yeah, so then you can put some things on here to get ready or whatever. And then this looks like these may be felt lined, and you can shine your shoes or brush them or whatever. But very cool. So we got some locks, everything, bedroom,